How are Geneva Conventions enforced in real-world conflicts? Imagine a world where rules are broken during war and civilians suffer. How do we make sure these rules are followed when conflicts happen? That's what we're exploring today. The Geneva Conventions are the main rules of international humanitarian law. They protect civilians, medical workers, and prisoners of war. But how do we ensure these rules are respected during actual fighting? Enforcement relies on both national and international systems. At the country level, governments that sign the Geneva Conventions must create laws to punish violations. They are required to criminalize grave breaches, which are serious violations like torture or killing civilians. Countries have to investigate and prosecute those responsible, regardless of their nationality or where the violation took place. This is called universal jurisdiction. If a soldier commits a war crime, their home country must take action or extradite them to another country willing to prosecute. This makes sure everyone knows they can be held accountable. International enforcement is more complicated. The United Nations plays a role but mainly focuses on peacekeeping and conflict resolution. It can impose sanctions or send peacekeeping troops, but it cannot directly enforce the Geneva Conventions in ongoing hostilities. Its power depends on the political will of its member states. Special courts like the International Criminal Court are set up to prosecute war crimes. They can try individuals accused of grave breaches of the Geneva Conventions. But the court cannot arrest suspects on its own. It relies on countries to cooperate by arresting and surrendering suspects. This cooperation is vital for the court to do its job. Humanitarian organizations, especially the International Committee of the Red Cross, also help enforce the rules. They monitor conflicts, visit prisoners, and advise governments on how to follow international law. They promote respect for the Geneva Conventions and help countries develop laws and procedures to prevent violations. Despite these efforts, enforcement faces many challenges. Non-state armed groups may not recognize or respect the Geneva Conventions. Political interests can also slow down justice. Still, the combined work of national courts, international tribunals, the United Nations, and humanitarian groups creates a system to hold violators accountable and protect civilians. In summary, enforcing the Geneva Conventions involves countries creating laws to punish violations, international courts prosecuting war crimes, the United Nations supporting peace efforts, and humanitarian groups promoting compliance. While challenges remain, these efforts work together to uphold the rules of war and safeguard those caught in conflict.